Hello everyone on the best crypto channel number 1, where we cover up most resonant and biggest news about crypto world, about crypto, about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and today we are gonna talking about such important topic as why Ethereum is unlikely to flip Bitcoin anytime soon, because many rumors there are about it. So I make a decision so that I want to discuss with you it. So let me know, as always, in the comment section your opinion and what it to send. So let's get started. So for years, analysts have predicted that Ethereum's market capitalization will flip Bitcoins, but data shows it's still nothing more than a guessing game. After 13% rise in 2 days, Bitcoin market capitalization surpassed $800 billion to reach its highest value in 79 days. During the same time frame, Ethereum accumulated a 45% gain in 2 weeks, placing the network market capitalization at $340 billion. So, market participants may have also been excited after Minneapolis Federal Reserve President Neil Kashkari suggested that the Fed may stick with the asset purchase program a bit longer. The reason cited was the delta variance spread and its potential harm to the labor market. Kashkari said, Delta could discourage people from returning to jobs that require in-person interaction and keep kids out of schools. So, comparing some of Ethereum's metrics could shed some light on whether Ethereum's 58% discount is justified. So the first step should be to measure the number of active addresses, excluding low amounts. So here we have the chart of addresses with $100,000 or higher balance. So this is Bitcoin, and in green color it's Ethereum addresses with $100,000 or more. So as shown above, Bitcoin has 6 million addresses worth $1,000 or higher, and 3.67 million have been created since 2020. Meanwhile, Ether has less than half at 2.7 million addresses with $1,000. The altcoin growth has also been slower, with 2.4 million of those created since 2020. This metric is 55% lower for Ether, and this corroborates the market capitalization gap. However, this analysis does not include how much large clients have invested. Also, there is no good way to estimate this number. Measuring cryptocurrency exchange-traded products could be a good proxy. So here we have stats of ETH'S on exchange-traded products. So Grayscale is the biggest, and here we have also Grayscale. So you can pause and review all of that. So futures open interest justifies the price gap. An investor could have bought $50 million worth of futures and sold the entire position a couple of days later. This $100 million in traded volume does not currently represent any market exposure, therefore it should be disregarded. So here we have Ether futures aggregate open interest. So BitMax, we have Huobi, we have Binance, and other exchanges. So other metrics like on-chain data and miner revenues show a more balanced situation, but both cryptocurrencies have different use cases. For example, 54% of the Bitcoin supply has remained untouched for longer than 1 year. The truth is that any indicator has a downside, and there is no definitive valuation metric to determine whether a cryptocurrency is above or below its fair value. However, the three metrics analyzed suggests that Ether's upside when priced in Bitcoin does not signal a flattening anytime soon. So it's really important. Let's discussing, can Ethereum reach price of Bitcoin? Because many rumors on these topics there are. So let me know in the comment section below your opinion. It's really important for me. I will be more than happy to communicate with you. Also, please drop a like button, hit that subscribe ring bell button. So let's continue. So it says that Ethereum blockchain upgrade, crypto regulatory battles, and Bitcoin price discussion, hodler's digest. So top stories this week. Ethereum London hard fork goes alive. Ethereum has now transitioned away from a Bayesian-based fee market to a fixed price and burn mechanism, which may see the asset become deflationary. If more Ethereum is burned than issued in block rewards. However, this may be more likely after the switch to proof of stake with Ethereum 2.0. If the asset does become deflationary, it would reach the status of ultrasound money, which is a term that has also been a long-running meme in the Ethereum communities that mocks Bitcoiners' description of Bitcoin as sound money due its capped supply of 21 million. So what are you thinking? Will be interesting if we make some video about proof of stake, about Ethereum 2.0. So let me know, and let's review what Mike Novogratz says. So crypto is the future of our financial system, and our citizens deserve officials that do their homework to understand this new technology. Most of our leaders haven't done it yet. We also need regulators and politicians who understand that new ideas need room to grow. So the billionaire crypto proponents' jobs were of course delivered through social media, with Novogratz talking to Twitter on August 3 to assert that most United States officials have no idea what they are talking about when it comes to crypto. So also I think it's really interesting that we can see Bitcoin on the balance sheets of cities, states, governments, companies, small and big investors. Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy CEO. So Circle and Unstoppable Domains are working to introduce username-based addresses as an alternative to long-winded alphanumeric crypto wallet addresses to aid the not-too-so-tech-savvy novice and boomers. So, as part of the partnership, both companies will collaborate to enable support for coin username extensions across wallets and crypto exchanges that list the number to ranked stablecoin. Under this arrangement, transfers will become akin to sending an email, likely mitigating the problem of transferring coins to the wrong address, losing funds forever, and living with regrets over one's lacks of due diligence. So it's pretty exciting news today. Let me know in the comment section below what you're thinking. Also, drop a like button. Thank you so much. And